Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pratyasha Dash, final year resident in Mother's Care Children Hospital and Research Center. Today I am going to talk about febrile seizure. Febrile seizures are the seizures occurring in infants and children between the age of 6 months to 5 years associated with fever of 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit or a higher core temperature. This temperature corresponds to 99 degrees Fahrenheit of axillary temperature. They are generally short and have no residual change of sensorium in the child. There are no long-term adverse effects in terms of behavioral development or academic achievement. 2 to 5% of healthy children can have one episode of febrile seizure during their lifetime. Parents are understandably very alarmed about this occurrence, hence the chances for recurrences and the possibility of future epileptic disease is very important. Recurrences can occur and these happen most frequently if the febrile seizure occurs during infancy within 24 hours of fever or if the temperature range is between 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit to 102.2 degrees Fahrenheit. The family history of febrile seizure, family history of epilepsy, male children and daycare inmates, these are a few risk factors for recurrences of febrile seizures. The possibility of having future epileptic disease is very important and the parents need to know about this. Only about 1% of children with simple febrile seizure can develop epilepsy later in their lifetime. The intervention in febrile seizure is mainly emotional support for the parents, and if the seizure lasts longer than 5 minutes, seizure control is a must. At home, parents can administer intranasal midazolam, and intermittent prophylaxis with oral clobazam is given for few days, during which the seizure is expected to last. The probability of having future epileptic disease is increased to 29% if the seizure lasts longer than 15 minutes, if there is a second episode of seizure within 24 hours of the first episode, or if the abnormal movements are restricted to one side of the face or to one limb. In these cases, one needs to go for EEG, imaging of the brain and further relevant investigations. The prolonged anti-epileptic medications, however, are rarely recommended. That is, in those cases only where the child has a higher risk of developing future epileptic disease, such as a child having neurodevelopmental abnormality presenting with febrile seizure. So when your child has febrile seizure, try not to panic, lay the child on a flat surface, turn the child to one side, loosen the clothes, clear the throat and administer intranasal midazolam. For more information related to any condition in pediatrics, please follow Mother's Care Insta and Facebook pages. Thank you.